In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy Airtable records to another table. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Airtable website. If you aren't already logged in, click the Login option. But let's assume you've already taken care of that part, and you're logged in and ready to go. Next, you need to identify and select the board you wish to automate. Once the board is open, look at the top menu, and you'll see an option labeled Automations. Click on this to continue. We need to set a trigger to determine when the records should be copied. Look for the Add Trigger button and click on it. From the list of available triggers, select When Record Updated. This means that anytime there is an update to a record, the automation will be triggered. Now, it's crucial to point out the table where the trigger will apply. Click on Select a Table, and then choose the specific table you're interested in from the available options. Following this, you'll need to select a view for this automation. Click Select a View and choose the view that suits your needs. Afterward, it's time to narrow down which fields should trigger the automation when updated. Click on Select Fields, and then you can specify the field or fields you want to trigger the copying action. This is handy if you're looking to automate based only on changes to specific parts of the data. With everything set up, it's good practice to test the trigger to make sure it's configured correctly. Find and click on Test this trigger to run a quick check. Now that your trigger is in place, let's move on to adding the logic or action required to copy the records. Look for Add Advanced Logic or Action, which provides more control over what happens next. Choose Update Record from the list of actions available. You'll need to provide a record ID for the record you want the automation to focus on. This links the automation accurately to the data. Be sure to have this information from beforehand or utilize Airtable's available record IDs. Next, it's time to add a description. Click on Description and type in any details that might be useful for understanding what this specific automation does. Before wrapping up, once more, you will have to select a table for the destination of these copied records. Click Select a Table and choose where the automation should operate. Finally, when all configurations are to your satisfaction, click on Run as Configured. To ensure everything proceeds, locate the toggle at the top left corner to activate your automation. Congratulations, you've successfully set up an automation that copies records to another table in Airtable. This can save you a substantial amount of time and effort by ensuring your data is effectively duplicated where necessary. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflow.